Have you ever considered the power of a simple sip of water? For many, it's a taken-for-granted everyday act. But when the body is under stress, such as during an episode of severe diarrhea, the absorption of water and salt through active glucose-enhanced sodium absorption in the small intestine becomes a crucial process. This is where fluid and electrolyte therapy comes into play. Fluid and electrolyte therapy is a delicate dance of balance. It involves the maintenance of necessary levels of sodium, potassium, glucose, and water in the body to facilitate effective electrolyte absorption. This is particularly important for individuals at high risk of dehydration, like the elderly and those with renal disease. Now, you might think that reaching for a soft drink or fruit juice might do the trick, but these proprietary drinks may not always provide the necessary balance of electrolytes needed. Instead, oral rehydration solutions are the recommended course of action for adults experiencing mild to moderate dehydration, which is a loss of less than 6% of body weight. These solutions are prepared according to manufacturers' guidelines and should be kept refrigerated, renewing them every 24 hours. Various proprietary rehydration products are available, each with their unique formulation according to brand recommendations. To give you a sense of what an optimal rehydration solution looks like, it typically contains sodium in the range of 50 to 60 millimoles per liter, potassium between 20 to 35 millimoles per liter, and glucose between 80 to 120 millimoles per liter. For adults, the goal should be to consume 2 to 3 liters of oral rehydration solution over a 24-hour period. This provides 100 to 180 millimoles of sodium and 40 to 105 millimoles of potassium. But what happens once rehydration is achieved? Well, maintaining hydration levels involves regular fluid intake and replacing ongoing losses with an appropriate oral rehydration product. So, to summarize, fluid and electrolyte therapy is an essential tool in combating dehydration, particularly for high-risk individuals. It involves a balance of sodium, potassium, glucose, and water, maintained through the use of specially formulated oral rehydration solutions. Once rehydration is achieved, maintaining hydration levels involves regular fluid intake and replacing ongoing losses with an appropriate product. In essence, the power of a simple sip of water, when balanced with the right electrolytes, can be a life-saving act. It's a testimony to the intricate, nuanced balance that keeps our bodies functioning optimally, even under stress.